girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Say baby, glad to meet you. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in need of something. You got obvious, you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, got this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that fucking dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They notice, would shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They notice, would shut it. These girls ain't got nothing on you. You got nothing on you. You got nothing on you. Good luck. You the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's on his mind. To the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy done lost his mind. Every time you come around, shut down like computers. Crazy. Step into my heart and put you in the tons.
Chrome, shoddy.
Persian rugs, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm partying. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna lay with you. That's the least I'ma do. Ooh. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I can see your eyes, you to feel. How you feeling, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Kissing you here, fucking you right, loving you there, loving you right. Fuck with a pro, come baby, fuck with a pro. When you gon' let me know, I've been kissing you slow. Fuck with a pro.
Going it's Dom the Tastemaker, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I am doing a review for UNICE hair, and today I'm reviewing one of their pre-styled units. This unit did come curled already right out of the box, and I really did love the curls on this unit. I did finger mine out a little bit, so it does look a little bit different. But it's optional, you don't have to finger them out. I just didn't want them to be so uniform, so I did finger mine out. And then I cut some layers, and then I just curled this little piece here and here off camera, just to kind of like frame the face a little bit. And then I did put some concealer in our part here to help that stand out. And then I just added this heat protecting spray just to add a little shine to the hair, like at the top part. So those are the only things that I did off camera, but nonetheless, this is the finished look, and I really do like this look. This is another one of those units that's like perfect for like a date night. It's perfect if you're just like going out to dinner, going out with like your friends or something. It's a perfect unit if you just need something to put on real quick right before a special event, or really pretty much like any occasion. This unit definitely is doing it for me. I absolutely love it, and I think this would be cute too, like even if you wanted to go to like the club or something. But nonetheless, everything is done for you right out of the box. This unit also comes with bleach knots, which I'm sure you guys saw, so you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots on this unit. And the hairline does come pre-plucked as well, so it has a very, you know, natural looking hairline. Like, look at the lace. Where is it? You know what I'm saying? Like, I absolutely love the lace on this unit, and I did personally cut the excess lace off because I just feel like it looks better than to keep it on. So I did cut that off, and that's definitely what gives it more of like a natural looking hairline. No baby hair today, you guys know me. Normally I would like pop in a couple of pieces of like baby hair around, but this is one of those units that just does not need it. It looks so natural. And the great thing about it is that this unit is like partially glueless because I don't have anything here in the center. I only applied this Got to Be Glued, which is hair gel. It's not lace front glue. I only put that right here on the very sides, but the rest of this is free, and it just looks so much better, and it's very snug. I really do like the fit of this unit, but I will say, as far as the construction for it, it's not like my favorite construction, just because personally I like to have the adjustable straps in the back and an elastic band. But with this unit, you do have to keep the elastic band in there. But I will say, this elastic band is very secure. It's not slipping out, and it also has like this grip strip that's on there. The grip is also in the very back of the unit, and it has a very long comb in the back as well, so you can like hook that underneath your braids. So it feels very secure, even though it doesn't have like the adjustable strap in the back. It still feels secure. It's not like too big for me because, as you guys know, I do have a smaller head, and even though I have a smaller head, it's not like a huge gap in the back. It's not loose. It fits nice and snug, which I can appreciate. But it's definitely one of those one size fits all type of units. If you were wondering like, will it fit a big head size, this unit will literally fit everyone. And it's always about how you adjust the strap in the inside, and also it has the excess lace. But for me, obviously, you know, I'm going to cut it to my hairline, but this has a decent amount of lace on the sides as well, so it doesn't matter if you have a larger head size, medium, or small. This unit can fit everyone, which I can definitely appreciate as well, right? So as far as the inches for this unit, this is a 24 inch. For the density, I'm not sure. I'll make sure to leave the information in the description box down below for you guys, so if you guys want to know the exact specs for this hair. But I will say that with it being curled, it still gives like on the lighter end of the density. So I wouldn't say this is like a 200% density. I feel like it's definitely under that, but I would say it's between 150% density to 180% density. I don't think it's anything more or less than that. And yeah, I absolutely love this unit, you guys. It's so pretty. I love the curls. It's just gorgeous. Like, they did a really good job with it, and I just really like the companies these days. They're doing such a great job. This unit is one of those horseshoe lace front units though, even though it is a 13x4, so you get a decent amount of parting space here at the top. Once you get down here though, you do still get some parting space, but the tracks start like right around there, so you get about like an inch on the side, and then majority of your parting space is going to be here in the center. this is what it's looking like. Very natural looking. Like, I cannot stress that enough, which I can appreciate because I'm like, great, I don't have to do baby hair. It's like, I actually love a good baby hair free unit, contrary to popular belief. Even though you guys know me, I will slap some baby hairs in the wig real fast. But yeah, this looks really, really good. Absolutely love it. And then as far as like where it's hitting on me, curled, it's like right here at the bust. And then if I was to pull it, my belly button is here. It goes like past my belly button almost. So, and then I'll turn around for y'all. That's what it's giving. So now. What it's giving in the neck. Really cute, classy look, very simple, nothing too crazy. So once again, shout out to UNICE for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching and showing me so much love. If there's something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to you guys once again, and I will see all of you beautiful people in the next one. Bye.